disable online status on Viber. To disable online status on Viber, tap on the More button from the bottom. Tap on Settings. Tap on Privacy. To disable Share Online status, you will need to uncheck this option. Please note that if you uncheck this, you will not be able to see the online status of your contacts. So this option has a reverse side, as you will not see the online section. Please be sure if you want to do this. You will be able to change this option only once every 24 hours. Let's do this. Now you see, you cannot check again this as it needs to get 24 hours. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.